Welcome back! In the last video, we covered 3 important printing terms: die cutting, creasing, and grooving. Now, without delaying anymore, let's jump into the rest. Platter cutting and crease cutting. Platter cutting might sound fancy, but it just means cutting only the top layer. This is used for stickers so that it peels off easily. If you often need products and packaging labels, then you have to know this term. Perforation. Perforation is a very commonly used term. These are just tiny little holes in a line so that you can tear something cleanly. These are commonly used in coupons, invoice books, tickets, and even creative packaging. Now you are confident enough to explain to your printer what you actually need. But are you still confused about the terms? No worries, we are here to help you. Contact us on the number flashing below or visit our office in Alcuz. And also let us know in the comment section if there are more confusing printing terms. See you then! Take care! Bye!